Today, I want to talk to you about how to make a habit into a lifestyle. So, a few years ago, I really wanted to get fit and I wanted to get stronger in my body. That was my goal. And I did not know how to do that. But I read a book about habits, and the book about habits kind of taught me about building habits in my life that then helped me build the lifestyle that I wanted to build. And it showed me about how when I did things consistently and on a regular basis, then that just became a part of my life. So what happened is I decided that I wanted to go for a walk, 3 times a week. And I didn't want to just go for a walk. I wanted to be a fit person. So it's like getting the habit and then turning it into a lifestyle, but then becoming that person. And all starts with habits. So how do you build habits, but then build that into a lifestyle? So what you need to do is write it down. This is one thing that helped me so much. So I bought a weekly calendar and I started writing down the things that I had on for the week. This helped me so much. I wrote down what I had on every day. I wrote down, the meals that I was going to prepare, the days I need to go food shopping, when I need to be at work, and a daily calendar was amazing. I had everything that I needed to do in my head, but when I wrote it down on a daily calendar, it was so helpful. And I do this at the start of the week. I actually do this now, and I do it on a Sunday afternoon. I write down everything that I need to get done for the week, and it's so helpful. But what I did with my exercise when I was trying to get fit and become a fit person was I wrote down my intentions. So I wrote down on my weekly calendar the times that I was going to go for a walk. So instead of leaving it to chance and waking up and being like, oh, I don't feel like going today, or I missed my alarm, or, I'm tired or something, I would have it written down on what day I was going to go for a walk. And I started out small. So I started out maybe with like 2 to 3 walks a week, and then I built it up. And so this is really helpful. It says in the Bible, write the vision and make it plain. So if you want to build a habit in your life, you have to write it down. When you write it down, it helps you to remember it. And it's almost like accountability, that it helps you stick to what you've written down. And as you write it down and you look at your weekly calendar every day, it will remind you of what you want to get done. So just focus on one habit to start with. Just say it's that you want to get fit. Write down really specific times that you are either going to go to the gym, do some stretches, go for a walk, go for a swim, whatever the exercise or the movement that you're going to do that is going to help you become a fit person. Write it down on a weekly calendar. So when you look at your calendar, you've already got it marked down in there. So when you see it, you're like, oh, this is my time where I go for a walk, or you do your exercise and your movement. And as you start that habit of writing it down, doing the habit, then it helps you turn that into a lifestyle. So I don't even have to write down now when I'm going for a walk or a run or a bike ride, or whenever I'm doing it, because it's so ingrained in my life now. I know exactly when I'm going to do it. It's my lifestyle. It's not just something I do. It's who I am. I am a fit person. But that all started one day at a time, writing it down and then sticking to those habits. Even if you don't feel like it, just do it anyway. Because when you start those habits and you build them over time, then you build the lifestyle that you want to have. It all starts one habit at a time. Well, I hope this video has encouraged you today. Feel free to send it to a friend. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is called Zenadonna, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.